I'm in another world. The front view of this lodge, wow. It's a lot to take in.
This beautiful Baines Lodge. It's just in a perfect spot. The whole idea was to obviously try and capture that sunset and that sunrise.
For me, morning is the beginning of good things. Just watching the colors of the sun as it rises, it brings home.
It's a very small, intimate lodge. Only 6 rooms that can hold up to 12 people. Everything is just personalized according to what you want.
Every day is different. You don't feel like you're in one place.
Every morning in the Delta is special. The light changes. The animals wake. It feels alive.
So the time you take it out so that you're disturbing it.
You don't want to feel like you miss home while you've traveled. You want to feel like this is my home. Baines will give you that feeling.
Yeah, it's just a beautiful place. It's just amazing.
Those beautiful stars, they appear like flowers in the sky.